Tonight we're at AikenAdventures in Boynton Beach, Florida. Now Elena's still not feeling well, so it's still just me and Vivian tonight. But she's getting better and she'll be joining us for the next couple of videos soon. The cost is $20 per person, children under 2 are free, and parking is $3 per car and must be paid in cash. We made it! Wow! All tickets can be purchased online except for the parking and the baby kangaroos, so you should go to the website and make sure that you purchase online in advance and make reservations prior to your arrival. You're watching 25 Nights of Lights on AikenAdventures. Okay, so here's the plan. We plan to do 25 nights of Christmas lights. It means that we have to find 25 Christmas events across Florida to make videos about. Every night we're gonna be putting out another video just like this one for 25 Nights of Lights as we visit all the best Christmas displays and events all across the state. And if you're just now joining us on AikenAdventures, we're taking you to do all the best things and all the best places all around Florida. Wow, did you find snow? Look at that. What's over there? Yeah, is that Santa's sleigh? Wow, look at that. Who's that over there? Who's that over there? Can you see that? Grinch. Is that the Grinch? In the front, you can also meet Santa and the Grinch, but Vivian wasn't really all that interested in meeting the Grinch. I'm really surprised, because that's one of our favorite Christmas movies. Why don't you want to meet the Grinch? Oh, you want to see Mommy instead? Here comes Santa on a Segway. Do you see him? Can you say hello? Can you give him a high five? Look at that beautiful tree. Do you see the horses? Wow! Do you see the zebra?
We don't know exactly.
Vivian really loves this one. She's having such a great time. I think the mixture of the animals with the lights is so exciting to her. Is there Olaf? Wow, let's go see Olaf. Look, it's ducks. There's some tortoises behind these inflatables over here. They're huge. You really can't see them very well in the dark. For $10 additional, you can purchase a ticket to do a baby kangaroo holding as well. Okay, come this way, Vivian.
Hug him like a baby.
Can I pet him? It's a little bitty kangaroo. I think he's a little camera shy. But it looks like he was sucking his thumb. Do you want to pet kangaroo, Vivian? Yeah? Okay.
He's probably one of the
Is he nice?
His name is Willie.
Oh, is his name's Willie.
We also have an albino one that is named Wally.
Oh, Willie and Wally.
He's here too. He's a little bit bigger though. Thank you, sweetie.
All right, was that so much fun?
Just make sure she stays behind them.
Oh yeah, just stay behind him.
They're so soft. So soft.
Are they fluffy?
Yeah, you want to pet one?
Sure. Yeah, he is so soft.
One.
You want to pet another kangaroo?
No one pet another.
Oh, another animal? Okay, let's see. I don't know if they have any more we can pet tonight. Oh, we can go to the goats and the sheep. Let's go find them. Let's see if we can find the goats and the sheep. They gotta be around here somewhere. You wanna pet the calf? Right here? Pet him on the nose. Can you do that? These are the donkeys. You wanna pet the donkey? Alright. There you go. The goats are back the other way. You walked past the goats. See the sheep?
Yeah, why we gotta get in?
They don't have a gate so that you go inside of the enclosure at this one like they do at some petting zoos, so Vivian thinks that's the way it's supposed to be, but you can pet them right up at the fence. Here he comes. Oh, there you go. You got to pet him. There you go. Can you go pet the goat? Right over there. We better sanitize our hands first. All right, come back. I got the hand sanitizer. All right, good job. Okay, Vivian, let's go look at some more Christmas lights.
Another answer.
What's that? Don't put your hand in. They don't want you to pet these. All right, very good. This section is dedicated to Hanukkah. What's going on over there? It's the Grinch. When you get to the end of the road, you can watch a Christmas movie, and tonight they're showing the Grinch. What's that over there, Vivian? Can you say hello to Chopper?
Yeah. So have you heard of the movie Vivo?
No.
No, not yet. So there's a movie on Netflix called Vivo that's actually has a couple of Kangaroos in it. But these guys, they look a lot like monkeys, but their closest family member is actually a raccoon.
Vivian says she's hungry, and it just happens that we're right in front of the concession stand, so we're gonna check out the concessions. Oh, there you go.
Enjoy it. You got it? I don't want it to drop. You got it?
Yeah.
It's a big.
So when you get your concessions, we ask you if there was a place to sit down, and they recommended down at the end over here where the movie is, but mostly you just kind of sit on the ground, which I guess is fine. And there's hand sanitizer real close by. So we're just kind of hanging out here, watching the Grinch, eating a foot-long hot dog. Life is good.
I'm having to hear the Grinch.
Yeah. Are you having a good time watching the Grinch?
I'm having to hear the Grinch.
We got here just in time for Vivian's favorite part, which is when the Grinch cries. She loves sorrow and sadness for some reason. I don't know. She likes comforting people, actually. The hot dog is finished, but we had to watch the Grinch to completion. Did you like your hot dog? All right, you guys got it. That hot dog is Vivian approved. All right, Grinch is over. Time to go home. All right, Vivian, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the horses.
You like the horses? That was the horses at the beginning, and then did you like petting the kangaroos? She loved petting the animals. She really wanted there to be more animals to pet. All right, well, that is it for this AikenAdventure, and be sure to watch every evening as we count down Christmas with 25 nights of lights on AikenAdventures.